Hi, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we are going to learn how to write lowercase character Q and R. Here we go. Put your marker on third line. Diagonal move your marker upward on second line. Make curve like this. Now come back on third line. Now you can see this shape is just like letter C. Now complete this circle. Touch the second line again, touch the third line, then come down on fourth line, and now move your marker upward on third line, and now leave the line here. Now pick up your marker. Here is lowercase character Q. Once again I am going to write here. Put your marker on third line. Move your marker diagonally in a curve form by touching the second line. Now touch the third line. Complete this circle. Now straightly come down a fourth line. Move your marker upward on third line. Make a little line here. This is lowercase character Q. Now I am going to write lowercase character R. Put your marker on third line. Slide diagonally, move your marker upward. Second line, make loop here. Then come down. Touch second line, come down on third line. Make curve here. Now pick up your marker. Once again I am going to write. Slide diagonally, move your marker upward on second line, make loop here, then touch second line, then come back on third line and make curve here. Now pick up your marker. Here is lowercase character Q and R. Hope all of you have learned it. See you next time in next video. See you, tata.